Hello everyone, welcome to House Decor. Today in this video, I am going to show you some cottage kitchen decoration ideas. Let's take a look. Cottage kitchen decoration is all about warmth, charm and a cozy lived-in feel. Here are some key elements and ideas you can use to style a beautiful kitchen. Color palette: soft muted tones like pastels, creams, white, shades green, dark egg blue or warm beige. Floral or gingham accents for that classic cottage feel. Furniture: a farmhouse table with mismatched chairs, wooden stools or benches with distressed paint for a rustic look. Accessories: wicker baskets, ceramic pitchers, animal wire and mason jars. Lace or floral curtains, tea towels and tablecloths. Hanging pot racks or wall hooks for utensils and pans. Lighting: vintage style pendant lights or lanterns. Soft, warm lighting with a slightly rustic or antique finish. Backsplash and counters, bedboard paneling or white subway tiles, butker block or marble countertops for a warm or classy look. Flooring: wood, stone or checkerboard tiles for that country cottage vibe. Add a braided or woven rug for a soft touch underfoot. Cabinets and shelving: Shakar style cabinets in painted wood finishes. Open shelving to display pretty dishes, vintage mugs or jars for dry goods. Cottage kitchen decoration tips: mix old and new. Blend vintage finds like an old scale or antique dishes with modern appliances. Look for items at flower markets or thrift shops that add character. Focus on texture. Use wood, wicker, linen, and stone to create a layered and inviting space. Mix smooth surfaces like ceramic with rustic ones like raw wood. Keep it functional. Cottage kitchens should be pretty but practical. Use hooks, baskets, and wall-mounted rails for storage and organization. Let nature in. Fresh herbs in pots, a vase of wildflowers, or a bowl of fresh fruit can brighten the space. Consider floral fabrics or nature-themed accessories. Stay light and bright. Use light colors to make the space feel open and airy, especially if the kitchen is small. Add mirrors or reflect surfaces to bounce light around. Incorporate bedboard and paneling. Use bedboard on walls, cabinet doors, or even the ceiling to add texture and a traditional cottage feel. Create a cozy nook if you have the space. Add a little breakfast nook with a bench seat, cushions, and a small table. Use floral or gingham fabric on cushions for charm. Layer your lighting. Add under cabinet lights for practicality. Combine pendant lights, sconces, and even a mini candelier for warmth and dimension. Add a touch of iron or copper. Hang copper pots, use old iron handles, or add a rustic iron candelier. These materials add warmth and an old feel. Display cookbooks or handwritten recipes. Stick pretty cookbooks or frame an old family recipe to give a nostalgic touch. Use a skirt sink or cabinet. Instead of cabinet doors, use a fabric curtain under the sink. Classic cottage charm. Choose floral, checkered, or striped fabrics. Include handmade or rustic pottery. Add handmade mugs, plates, or pitchers on display shelves for a cozy, additional vibe. Add seasonal touches. Switch out decor like tablecloths, towels, or wreaths based on seasons. Think pumpkins and clay in fall, florals and pastels in spring. Create a plate wall. Display vintage or mismatched plates on a wall for a charming decorative touch. Add a chalkboard or memo board. Use a framed chalkboard or magnetic board for recipes, notes, or cute quotes. Install a butker block island. A small island or butker block card adds workspace and cottage character. Go for wood with a worn-in or oiled finishes. Use soft patterns. Think florals, stripes, checks, or towel on curtains, cushions, or table runners. Mixing patterns in a soft color palette keeps it cozy but not chaotic. Incorporate a farmhouse sink. A white apron front sink is iconic in cottage-style kitchens. Paired with an antique-style bucket in brushed or brushed nickel. Style your windows. Skip heavy drapes. Use cafe curtains or Roman blinds in light fabrics. Let as much natural light in as possible. Add small decor moments. Group items in trays. A small potted herb, a candle, and a cookbook on a tray. Use cake stands, trays, or cutting boards as bases for decor clusters. Repurpose old furniture. Turn an old dresser into extra kitchen storage or use antique chairs for extra character. Add charm and sustainability. Mix paint finishes. Use a matte finish on walls for a soft, cozy look and contrast with a stain or eggshell on cabinets for a subtle glow. Try two-tone cabinets, example white uppers with chess green or powder blue lowers. Add a touch of wallpaper, a floral or vintage style wallpaper as an accent wall or backsplash can really set the mood. Use natural materials. Embrace real wood, stone, linen, and cotton. Avoid too much plastic or synthetic decor. These textures bring warmth and an organic, grounded feel. Introduce soft edges. Use rounded corners on tables, curved backs on chairs, and arched shelving to make the space feel more gentle and welcoming. Decorate with everyday items. Display rolling pins, cutting boards, and ceramic bowls. Use vintage glass jars for flour, sugar, or coffee and keep them out on the counter. Incorporate storytelling pages. Add decor that tells a story. Garlands, travel funds, or pages with history, like a cheap teacup or antique bread box. Make a space for a tea station. Create a cozy corner with teacups, a teapot, and jars for sugar and loose leaf tea. Add a little lamp or candle for soft light. Thanks for watching the video.